Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb app on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the Explore menu where you will be able to look after various different properties. In order to log in, tap on the login button at the bottom right corner and then tap on login once again to access the login portal. You will now be able to log in using either your phone number, your email address, or your Facebook, Google as well as Apple accounts. Tap on whichever method you used while creating your account and then enter your credential. After entering your email address or your phone number, tap on the continue button and now you can enter your password within the password box. After typing in your password, tap on the continue button and now you will be logged in to your account on the Airbnb application right away. And you can now browse through various different properties and start your bookings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.